Wednesday. Comfortable. Colonel, Worcestershire. Can you say these? Even native speakers find them tricky. Today we tackle the top 10 most difficult English words. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. English spelling and pronunciation are not always the same. That can be very confusing. But today I will teach you the correct sounds. Let's start. Words 1 and 2. Wednesday and February. Wednesday, we say Wednesday. The D is silent. February, we often say Feb-u-ary. The first R is often dropped. Tip, learn these as sounds, not as spelling. Words 3 and 4. Comfortable and vegetable. Comfortable, we say comfortable, not comfortable. Vegetable, we say vegetable, not vegetable. 4 syllables become 2. English loves shortcuts. Words 5 and 6. Colonel and receipt. Colonel, this is a military rank. We say colonel. The L is completely silent. Very strange, but very true. Receipt, the P is silent. We say receipt. Many English words have silent letters. Learn them one by one. Words 7 and 8. Worcestershire and Leicester. These are English place names. Worcestershire, we say Worcestershire. Leicester, we say Leicester. English place names are famous for tricky pronunciation. Words 9 and 10. Thorough and through. These look similar. They sound very different. Thorough, thorough. It means complete. Through, through. It means from one side to the other. Though, it means but or however. 3 words, 3 different sounds, all spelled with uff. English is interesting, right? Recap. Wednesday, Wednesday. February, February. Comfortable, comfortable. Vegetable, vegetable. Receipt, receipt. Thorough, through, though. All different sounds. Your challenge, record yourself saying all 10 words. Post a comment with the ones you find most difficult. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.